Hello friends, in this video we are going to be in details of expression and the very important topic that is operators in C programming. Firstly, we'll see the expressions. An expression is a combination of variables, constants, operators and a function call. It can be arithmetic, logical or relational. For example, int z is equal to x plus y. This is arithmetic operation. Or we can say a is greater than b. So that can be the relational operator. A equal to b. So this is logical comparison, that a is equal to b. Then function a comma b. So this is function call with a variable a and b. The expression consisting entirely of the constant values are called as constant expressions. So the expression 121 plus 17 minus 110 next is a constant expression because each of the terms of the expression is a constant value. But if I declare to be an integer variable, then the expression becomes 180 plus 2 minus j. Would not represent as a constant expression. Next, very important topic, that is operators. Basically, operator is nothing but a symbol, but that symbol performs some operations on the operands. That can be the variable, that can be the constant. Next, some operator requires two operand to perform the operation, or some require single operand to perform the operation. Several operators are there. For example, first is arithmetic operator. Second is relational operator. Third is assignment operator. Fourth is increment decrement operator. Fifth is logical operator. Sixth is conditional operator. Seventh is comma operator. Eighth is size of operator. And ninth is bitwise operator. So in C programming, total 9 operators are present. With the help of that, you can perform different operations. Now we'll see in details one by one. Arithmetic operator. An arithmetic operator performs the mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. That can be any type of numerical values. These are some arithmetic operator. The plus sign is used for addition. The minus sign is used for subtraction. Asterisk sign is used for multiplication. Slash sign is used for division, and modulus sign is used for remainder after division. The difference between division and the modulus is, consider if you want to perform 5 divided by 2. So you will get your answer as 2, right? That is your quotient value. And you will get your remainder value as 1. So from division, you will get an answer as quotient value. But From remainder, that is modulus, you will get the answer as a remainder. So that is the biggest difference between division and modulus. Next operator is assignment operator. A value can be stored in a variable with the use of assignment operator. The assignment operator is used in assignment statement and assignment expression. Operand on the left hand side should be a variable and the operand on the right hand side should be variable, constant or any expression. Fine. Next, consider for example int x is equal to y. That means whatever will be the y value will get assigned to the x. Next, and whatever the value of sum, that means x plus y plus z. So the addition of these three values will get assigned to the sum variable. Next is increment and decrement operator. In a C programming, increment and decrement operator is used to change the value of an operand by 1. Very important. If you want to change any variable value by 1, that means if you want to increment your value by 1 or if you want to decrement a value by 1, then you can use the operator plus plus or minus minus. And this operator is also called as a unary operator. Increment increase the value by 1, whereas decrement, that is minus minus, decrease the value by 1. These two operators are unary operator, means they only operate on the single operand. Plus plus and minus minus operators are also having two types, that is first is prefix and second is postfix. Suppose you use plus plus operator as a prefix like plus plus var. Then the value of var will get incremented by 1 and then it return the value. But suppose we are using plus plus operator as a postfix, then the original value of a var is returned first, then the var get incremented by 1. So we'll see in details. Consider this example. In this example, we have created two variables of integer type, two variables of a float type. See, now a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 100 and c is equal to 10.5 and d is equal to 100.5. Now, what we are doing? We are just printing plus plus a. Then with the next printf, we are printing minus minus b. That is, both are prefix operators, right? And printf plus plus c and printf minus minus d. So these are also a prefix operator but on a floating point. Now we'll see the output. So the output for the plus plus a becomes 11. So the a becomes incremented by 1, that is 11. B get decremented by 1, that is 99. Then once again 10.5 will get incremented by 11.50 and D value will also get decremented by 1, that is 99.5. Next operator is relational operator. In relational operator, it is used to compare the value of two expressions depending on their relation. Expression that contain relational operator is called as relational expression. Here, the value is assigned according to the true or false value. For example, in this table, we have seen multiple operators are present for the relational operand. So how we can do that? So for equal to sign is used to represent the equality between the two operands or the two expressions. Greater than sign is used to check the greater than relationship between the two expressions. Less than, not equal to, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. These all operands are used to represent the value either in true or false. For example, A is greater than equal to B, or B is greater than 20. So we are comparing two expressions using OR operator. Next, B is greater than A and E is greater than B. Next, 0, B is not equal to 7. Now what does this mean? We are saying if the value of B is not equal to 7, then give the value as a 0. Next, conditional operator. Sometimes conditional operator can be called as ternary operator, since it required three expressions like expression, question mark, expression, colon, and expression. Now what happens? Firstly, first expression will get checked. If this expression returns the true, then second expression will get executed. But if first expression return false, then third expression will get executed. You see further. The syntax for conditional operator is expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. Here, the expression 1 is first evaluated. If it is true, then value return will be expression 2. But if it is false, then expression 3 will get executed. Next, in conditional operator, we have created one example. The example says we are having two variables, one is A and one is B. So A contains the value 10 and B contains the value 2. Now, int S is equal to A is greater than B, A colon B. So now what happens if the value of A is greater than B? That means we are comparing that 10 is greater than 2. So that is true. So the expression A, that is true statement, will get stored in S. So you will get output as value is 10. So in this video, we have seen the different expressions, the different types of operators in details. Thank you.